Unit 4, Mixed Review, number 9. Jeremiah bought a board that was 48 inches long. He cut off 7 813 inches of the board for a project. What was the length of the board in inches that Jeremiah had left? So, had left is our clue, and the fact that he's cutting off of the board. Both of those point towards subtraction, and so this is going to be subtraction. But we have a very common problem here that there is a whole number, 48, and we're needing to subtract a decimal number. And so we have to figure out where would the decimal be on that 48. Remember, 48 is like $48, and so it's going to be 48 decimal and then however many zeros you need. Well, since I'm going to be lining it up with 7.813, I need 3 zeros, 1 in the tenths, 1 in the hundredths, and 1 in the thousandths. And then I subtract like normal. 0 take away 3, I can't do, so I have to borrow from the 8, make it a 7. That makes this a 10, but then I borrow from it, so it's a 9. That makes this a 10, but we borrow from it, so it's a 9. And finally, that makes this a 10. Now, 10 take away 3 is 7. 9 minus 1 is 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. Decimal comes down. Don't lose that decimal. 7 minus 7 is 0, and 40 minus nothing is 40. And so, correct answer, he has 40 and 187 thousandths inches left.